Hello friends, now we are going to discuss numerical number 2 based on passive filter. The question is identify type of filter in given circuit diagram. So this is the given diagram and we will check this on omega is equal to 0 and omega is equal to infinity to find out which type of filter it is. So at omega is equal to 0, we will draw the circuit and we know that at omega is equal to 0, inductor will be represented as short circuit and the capacitor will be represented as open circuit. So we will apply the rule here. This is R1, this is inductor short circuit, this is capacitor open circuit. So this is open basically. This is short circuit, capacitor will be open here. And this is resistor R2. This is V0, this is plus minus Vi. From observing the first circuit, we can say that we will get output V0. So if we are giving the signal at lower frequency, we will get output. We will check at omega is equal to infinity. So at omega is equal to infinity, we will check. So at omega is equal to infinity, this will be R1, this inductor will be open circuited and this capacitor will be short circuited, and this here inductor will be open circuited and capacitor will be short circuited, and resistor R2 is plus minus Vi, this is plus minus V0. By observing this figure, we can definitely say that the V0 value will not be 0. So V0 value is not equal to 0. So V0 we are getting something. It means at omega is equal to 0, it is passing the signal. At omega is equal to infinity, it is passing the signal. We must check at the resonance whether it is passing the signal or not. At omega is equal to omega r means at resonant frequency, we know that series LC circuit will be represented as short circuit and the parallel LC circuit will be represented at open circuit. So at omega is equal to omega r, I am drawing the circuit. At omega is equal to omega r, this is R1, and we know that the parallel LC circuit will be represented as open circuit and the series circuit will be represented as short circuit. So here this will be the structure of the circuit at resonance. So this is plus minus Vi and this is plus minus V0. And if we will see and observe carefully, then we will get omega naught will be equal to 0. Means it is passing the signal at low frequency, it is passing the signal at high frequency, but it is blocking the signal at resonant frequency. It means it is band stop filter. And one more point I want to also include, first I am writing here, it is a band stop or band elimination filter. One more point I also want to add, when band elimination filter eliminates only few frequency, then it is also called as notch filter. It is only called as notch filter when it will eliminate only few frequency. You will study in detail in electronics, basically analog electronics. So here it is all about this numerical. Thank you.